The structural report confirms the issue with the ceiling beams. We'll need to adjust the layout based on these measurements. Let's get that laser level set up for the floor marking.
Okay, acoustic panels checked. Where are the RGB crates going?
They go against the far wall. Keep them separate from the furniture boxes.
Got it. Moving these panels first.
Careful, this wall is unstable. Clear the debris from this section now. We need to pull this wiring first.
Our team efficiently clears all demolition debris, ensuring the site is spotless and ready for the next phase of construction. The electrical team systematically installs the wiring. Cables are pulled from the spool, routed along the ceiling, and secured.
The team begins assembling the acoustic wall framework. Carpenters cut the pieces and secure the sections using a drill driver. For this, utilizing a rotary tool, technicians cut openings and feed the RGB LED strips through the ceiling cavity. The housings are wired, and after cutting the access points, we feed the LED channels and secure the wiring. A quick power cycle confirms functionality before finalizing the installation. First, we attach the legs to the frame, then click the wheels into the chair base. Finally, we lift the desk into position.
We've mounted the 3 monitors to the articulating arms, ensuring perfect alignment. Now we're managing the cables for a clean, professional finish on this ultimate gaming setup.
Testing complete, all systems functioning. Welcome to the future of gaming.